What's good, everybody? Just thought I'd do a little bike check, show off my Tracklocross bike build. It's a Fuji frame set and fork. I've got a zip stem, some Thomson bars, some like 30C cyclocross tires. I got a specialized seat, little lizard skin bag, just a gold cam seat chain, SRAM S100 crankset, just a silver chain ring because the other just sized up. I think it's a 49 tooth. In the back I have an Alter Cycles 15 tooth cog, and these are just some not sure what brand these are, wheels, just some, I'm not sure, some aluminum wheels, but they work. Yep, that's about it.